How to fix audio issue on CapCut app. Hi everybody, today we are going to show you how to fix that issue. So let's just go ahead. So first thing is making sure your device's volume is up. So when you head over to CapCut, you need to ensure that your volume is up. So if it is up, you can check your device's volume by pressing the volume button of the devices itself. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and try restarting the app. So go ahead and close the app and open it again. After that is done, this can resolve minor glitches including the audio issues in your app. Another trick is clearing the app's cache. So head over, close the app, and you can head over to the app and long press on the app. And at the top of the app, you should be finding an info section. You can tap on it. After tapping on it, this opens up on your screen. So from here, head over, scroll down and go to storage. After that, go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on the clear cache in the bottom right. Once that is done, that should help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Finally, also check if there is any update for the app. You can head over to Play Store application and then go to the search bar in the bottom right and head over and search for the app CapCut in the search bar. Once you are there, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. If it is not, you can update it from the section. So for now, that's it. You can follow up the steps if your audio is not working properly. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or tips. Thank you for watching and see you next time.